Black & Decker, new ideas in kitchen science. The Black & Decker 8-cup food processor. Slice, chop, shred, and grate all your favorites. A stainless steel slicing and shredding disc, as well as a stainless steel chopping blade, create powerful performance. 450 watts of power help handle the tough tasks. An electronic touchpad is easy to use and easy to clean. With stainless steel blades and a 450-watt motor, you won't need more than a gentle touch to process even the toughest ingredients. Removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The Black & Decker 8-cup food processor helps you create your kitchen concoctions skillfully.
Hi, I'm Kara with Hamilton Beach. If you use a food processor, you know how frequently you have to stop, remove the lid, and scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula to reduce buildup and even out the mixture, and that can really slow you down. Our solution? The Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper Food Processor. The scraper attachment travels around the sides of the bowl so you don't have to stop and remove the lid, and it works while the processor is either on or off. Now that's a real time saver when chopping, mixing, or pureeing. The generous 10-cup capacity bowl is roomy enough to slice, dice, and chop a variety of ingredients, and the wide feed chute lets you add a whole block of cheese without pre-cutting. The food processor includes a stainless steel blade for chopping and pureeing, plus a reversible disc for slicing and shredding. And the powerful 450-watt motor comes with 2 speeds, plus pulse control. The bowl, lid, scraper, and blades are all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper Food Processor. Now that's good thinking.